We all know the situation. A sales deal, first call went fantastic. You get a great feeling. And then at one point, it quietly dies over a period of time. In this video, I would love to break it down, why this happens and why so many sales deals get lost over a period of time and how we actually be able to control this deal in your hand. At the end of December, I lost a deal which I almost committed in my pipeline. The biggest issue I had here was I misread the messages from the prospect. That means we had a great call at the beginning. They said like that's exactly what they're looking for. The company was already a client from us at a bit different business unit. So it just everything felt in the right direction. We were shortlisted during that process. We got a POC, which I had the feeling we rocked it completely. But then when they made the decision, now at beginning of January, we were not their provider. So what did I do wrong? First of all, I should have digged much deeper in those questions, in those pain points, which they want to solve. If you dig deeper in certain pain points, automatically you will discover certain points which maybe I did not discover when I had the standard questions asked. And maybe if I would have asked those deeper questions, automatically this deal will have a safer anchor and I would have potentially won it. The second point, I was full of confidence, which is sometimes good, but sometimes neither that good, because if you're full of confidence in those sales calls, you already think you know what the company needs and what the company wants from you, instead of really being more like a detective in finding out what is actually needed and what would be the ideal solution for this specific company. These are just 2 points which I wanted to share with you. There are a couple of more things which are actually as important as possible, because the third one is having a mutual action plan. Which different scenarios would I need to solve from my end and would the prospect need to solve that we come to the final solution? So I had another scenario during the summer period with one pretty big enterprise beverage company. And what I did here is we built a mutual action plan on both sides. So we met on a weekly basis to go through the points we had to discuss, as well what we had to solve to get this deal at the end to a final stage. So this just a couple of examples. While early confidence in a deal is dangerous, this confidence falls apart or let the deal fall apart in a later stage. So don't be too confident. Doesn't matter how experienced you are, there's always something you need to learn. Every single deal is individual, is unique. So you cannot apply the same strategy at the deal you closed before in another deal. So that's really, really important. Another part which I did not discuss is, of course, your business case. Did you build a proper business case for this company which shows the value of the solution? I know in my case we were the most expensive provider of all other providers out there, as we usually are, but did I build a good enough business case to justify the costs? Because doesn't matter what, cost always gonna be a factor for many companies out there. So if you like this video, would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. Hope you look forward to my next clear insights about selling as a real seller.